discussed about that, us being a team, no? But I have expressed my position already that concerning the threshold for the purpose of conviction, it is important to realize that the Constitution and the laws are evolving. Why do I say that? Because the Constitution should be responding to the demands of time, just like any other law, no? And very enlightening itong nangyaring change of leadership sa Senado because it invited our attention to look into the doctrine behind Avellino versus Cuenco na in several occasions ay na-practice na rin ng Senate at nagkaroon na rin ng mga succeeding Supreme Court decisions along the same line, no? So, ang sa akin naman, let us anchor also our position on the mandate of the Constitution. Bakit tayo may mga senador? Primarily, the purpose is to represent the interest of the Filipino people. Kung ang ating senador ay nakakulong, nagtatago, nasa ospital, or nasa abroad, ito yung tinatawag ni Avellino versus Cuenco na beyond the coercive power of the Senate. And having said so, plus hindi mai-represent yung interest ng taong bayan, how are we going to consider them for the purpose of determining the threshold or the required number of votes? So, personal opinion ko lang. I believe that the doctrine in Avellino should be applied also in determining the number of votes required for the purpose of conviction. That is my personal opinion.